Hold on now, hold on now. Yeah man, this side man, see it ya? Wanna remember a chariot? Where did I carry grass? Yeah man, I see him one man. Yeah man, one circle man. Where I deal with Unk? Yeah man, what that you do? Molding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, do it no done. What do you man, me know see you sweat for your bread, you know man. You not like the lazy man them, you know. You understand? Yeah man, see there? This a man a work in a sun, you know. Cause sun food, sun people, sun meditation, sun vibes. See them man, ancestral lineage. Fully charged, everything fully uniform. What do you man, if you want to spell the word uniformity, you come here so. Yes I. Yeah man, hold them man. Yes I, sun. Voila, voila. See it here, you know. My people see me here, you know. See me here, you know. Fully active, you know, fully active. See me, me tell you, say this man here, the worker man, you know. If you want to see him, come see a man. Yes, I. Yeah, man. See it here, him one, you know. I'm against the world. All right. Go on. The agriculture harbor shark, 100% germination. Set it straight, let me see it from stem. Bombards, 100% germination. Yes, I, the real bad bird man. It on vegetable man, you know, though. Clean.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I.